Hi lovers, welcome back to Living Healthy with Nurse Adorable. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make my banana, pawpaw, apple and grape smoothie. So these are the things I'll be using, these are the fruits I'll be using, the apple, banana and pawpaw. So I will also be using grape. I'll be using grape. As you can see, this grape is the seedless type. We have those that are also that has seed, but I'm making use of the seedless grape in making today's smoothie. Then I'll also be making use of milk. I'm going to add milk into the smoothie. So guys, let's get started and make this smoothie together. So all my fruit has been washed off camera. I've washed all my fruits thoroughly. So I'm starting by cutting the apple so that it will not be too hard for my blender to blend, because I'll be making use of blender to blend this smoothie. So I'm dicing the apple into smaller sizes. And in one of my video that I made a video on fruit parfait. So there I've been able to tell you the health importance of apple to our health. So if you have not watched that video, kindly watch the video. The link to that video has been dropped on in the description box. So now I'll be cutting the pawpaw into smaller sizes also, so that I'll not over labor my blender, so that I'll be able to make use of it some other time. So now, talking about the health importance of pawpaw. Pawpaw is a fruit, and it contains lots of fiber. It contains high level of antioxidants, contains vitamin A, vitamin C and E, and it lowers cholesterol level, and it also helps to boost the immune system. Then the health importance of are banana are they are good source of fiber. It contains potassium, folate, and it is also an antioxidant. It contains vitamin C, and banana is very good for diabetic patients, because fruits that are rich in fiber helps to reduce the high level of sugar in the system. So banana also promotes digestion because of its high level of fiber. Then grape, I'll be using grape also. As you can see, I've been able to shop all the things I want to use. Then this is the cup, this is my smoothie cup that I'll be using to enjoy the smoothie. That's the water I'm going to use, and here is my milk. So what next now is for everything to go into the blender except my cup. So I'll be putting all the fruits together with the milk and water. I have the water I'm going to use to blend this smoothie is, I brought it out from the freezer. It's very chilled, so that because I want to enjoy the smoothie immediately, and I want it a bit chilled. So now my milk is going to go in, then followed by water. So while we are doing our blending, let me quickly talk about the health importance of grape. Grape is a good source of potassium. Then it helps to lower blood pressure, and once it lowers blood pressure, it helps to reduce the risk of stroke. Grapes they are rich in vitamin E, and it helps the skin to stay smooth and hydrated. So now we can see that grape is very good for us. Grape is very good for our skin. Then grape also help the brain, it's good for the brain. Grape also boosts our immune system. So now let me talk about the health importance of milk. As we all know that milk is very rich in is a source of protein, and it contains calcium, it contains vitamin D, it contains potassium, it is rich in phosphorus and vitamin B. So now we have been able to rush through the health importance of all these things we are putting together into one portion. So we can see that this smoothie is a whole lot of fiber, and it contains nutrients that are very good to our body system. So you can decide to have this in the morning, you can decide to have it in the afternoon, you can also decide to have this as your dinner. Once I take this smoothie, I feel very filled up, and trust me, when I'm defecating anytime after, then I defecate easily, and I feel refreshed and okay. So now smoothie is ready and is going into my smoothie cup. So I will the recipe for this smoothie, I'm going to drop it at the description box, so you also can try your own, and you can make use of any other fruit of your choice. You combine any other fruit of your choice together. You can skip the aspect of that milk. You are good to go with any choice of fruits you would like to use for your smoothie. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and give this video a thumb up. Thank you.